Hello friends, today we are discussing about halogenation of alkane. Before discussing about halogenation of alkane, friends, if you are new on my channel, then subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Let's begin. Halogenation of alkane. Before discussing about halogenation of alkane, first I have discussing about discussing about halogen and alkanes. Halogen means the halogens are generally represented by X and they are chlorine, bromine, iodine and fluorine. Alkanes are generally represented by RH. Representation also is 2N H2N plus 2. If we put n is equals to 1, then we get the first compound of alkane is methane. So let's see, C1H2, put n is equals to 1 plus 2. C and H2 plus 2 is 4. CH4, that is methane. So we go for halogenation of alkane. In the halogenation of alkane, we react alkane with halogen in presence of one either UV light or diffuse sunlight or third at temperature 300 to 400 degree. Okay, so any one of that, we get alkyl halide. Let's go for the reaction. In the alkane, we take methane, CH4. In halogen, we take a chlorine as a molecule. Any one of condition UV light, we get alkyl halide, that is CH3, Cl and HCl, methyl chloride. In this reaction, one hydrogen is substituted by one chlorine atom. So after that, this reaction is not stop at this stage. जब तक ये हाइड्रोजन ख़त्म नहीं होते तब तक ये रिएक्शन स्टॉप नहीं होती. ये क्लोरीन बाद में रिएक्ट करता है, इस जो क्लोरीन मॉलिक्यूल है बाद में फिर से रिएक्ट करता है मिथिल क्लोराइड के साथ और हमें मिलता है CH2Cl2, that is methylene dichloride. After that, this methylene dichloride also react with chlorine molecule to get CHCl3, that is chloroform. After that, chloroform also react with one chlorine molecule. Then we get the CCl4, that is carbon tetrachloride. Okay, so we will move towards mechanism of reaction. In the mechanism of reaction, the mechanism is free radical reaction mechanism. The first step is chain initiation, mean in that chlorine molecule undergo homolytic fission to give chlorine free radical. In that we take a chlorine molecule. We can represent like that: chlorine molecule in presence of UV light, we will get chlorine free radical 1 and 2 by homolytic fission. Homo means same, both sides same, and lytic means breakdown. Okay, so we get 2 chlorine free radical. Chlorine free radical. After that, second stage is chain propagation. Chlorine free radical attacks methane to produce HCl and methyl free radical. Means the chlorine free radical means Cl free radical react with methane. Methane we can write like that: HCH3. This is methane, CH4. Okay, and in that we will get HCl and methyl free radical. Methyl free radical. This chlorine will give one electron and hydrogen give one electron and form a bond HCl, and methyl get methyl free radical. Okay, this notation is called fish hook arrow. This is fish hook arrow, which represent the movement of single electron, which indicate movement of single electron. So we go for next step. In the second step, B is methyl free radical attacks chlorine molecule to give methyl chloride and chlorine free radical. In this, we take a methyl free radical CH3C dot plus chlorine molecule fish hook arrow for movement of electron, and we will get H3C Cl, that is methyl chloride and chlorine free radical. Methyl chloride and free radical chlorine. In this electron and one electron from this chlorine will form a methyl chloride, and this electron goes to Cl and form a chlorine free radical. Okay, last stage is chain termination. This is because the above chain reaction comes to halt when any two free radicals combine. There are two free radicals, they are chlorine and methyl free radical. If chlorine free radical combine, means Cl dot plus Cl free radical combine, we will get Cl single bond Cl, means Cl2. And if methyl free radical combine with another methyl free radical, we will get CH3 single bond CH3 means ethyl, and if chlorine free radical combine with methyl free radical, we will get CH3Cl means methyl chloride. Chlorine plus chlorine free radical plus methyl free radical, we will get methyl chloride. Okay, this is all about mechanism of halogenation reaction, that is free radical reaction. Okay, here is reactivity of halogen, also important. Reactivity of halogen atoms, in that fluorine is most reactive, then chlorine, then bromine and iodine. Fluorine is react so explosively, and chlorine and bromine are react satisfactorily, and iodine do not react, unreacted. So this is all about halogenation of alkane. Okay, that's it for today. I wish best of luck for your studies. Thank you.